Ripped tents are hardly tents at all. Holes let in sun and water create eyesores and only become worse over time. That's a problem whether you're staging an outdoor event, using a construction or military-grade tent, or setting up an emergency shelter, to name just a few. And that's why when you find a tear during tent setup, mending it in the field can be essential. The good news? It's also easy, if you come prepared. Here's how to fix a vinyl tent anywhere, anytime with the HH-66 Vinyl Patch Kit. The HH-66 Vinyl Patch Kit is your insurance against tent rips that require on-site repair. It's waterproof, weather-resistant, and more durable than vinyl tent tape. This adhesive isn't made for polyester or nylon tents, or any thin consumer-quality tent like you might use for outdoor camping. HH-66 is made for vinyl, and if you're patching a hole, mending a rip, or even attaching an RFID chip to a vinyl tent, nothing will make that bond more powerfully. Here's how to make a permanent tent fix with the Vinyl Patch Kit in about 5 minutes. Start with prep. For safety, make sure to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated space. Lay your tent flat if possible. Cut the vinyl patch included in your patch kit so it covers your tear with about 2 inches of room on each side. And round the corners so they won't catch. Use the alcohol wipes in your kit to clean your patch and your torn tent for good adhesion. Now apply. Spread HH-66 on both your patch and your torn tent. The 1-ounce tube in your kit covers about a square foot of material. Use the brush to spread the glue. You want full coverage, but it doesn't have to go on thick. Then wait about 3 minutes for the glue to change from smooth to tacky. Then attach your patch. Apply firm pressure throughout your patch to remove air bubbles, or press evenly with a roller if you've got one. Use the wipes from your kit to clean any excess HH-66, which dries clear but will yellow over time, especially in direct sunlight. Your patch will be dry in about an hour, but HH-66 won't reach full strength for 24 hours. At that point, you'll have a bond that's flexible, weather-resistant, and stronger than your vinyl tent itself. And that's how 5 minutes with the right glue gets your party back on course and gives you peace of mind all celebration long.